Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel Organic Gardening Mantra. Friends, today's topic is very interesting. We all grow plants in hanging baskets, windowsills. We grow creepers, show plants, vegetables on our rooftop, balconies. And one very important thing that we have to bear in mind, especially when we are doing container gardening on rooftop or on balcony, is to make our pots light, to reduce the weight that is put on the grill or balcony or roof. In order to reduce the weight, the very important thing that is necessary is coco peat. Yes, friends, this is one ingredient, coco peat, that we have to use more in the soil for our pots. There are many benefits of coco peat. In summers, it can be used as mulch also, so that it prevents the water from drying off. I use it as a mulch in my plants during summer times. So that I need not water my plants twice a day. If I water once, it will be enough, because summers here will be very severe. So I will use it as a mulch. And after the summers are over, I will remove the mulch, because in rainy season mulch won't be necessary. So friends, we usually get this coco peat in brick form. I've ordered it from Amazon and we get it in brick form. So when we get it in brick form, initially I did not know how to use it. I used it directly. But to make it into a brick form and make that brick, to compress it and make it, certain amount of glue will be added to coco peat. So before using coco peat, it is very much essential to wash coco peat at least twice. So this is the brick I have soaked in water. It will keep on absorbing water. This is one big tub. I have poured full water. It has absorbed it completely. So like this, I will wash this coco peat at least twice in water before using it for my plants, so that the glue in the coco peat will not harm the plant. It can be done very easily. I will show you how it can be done. I have taken water in two separate containers, and after finishing off washing in one container, I will wash this coco peat again in second container, and then only I will use it in my pots. Friends, one of my friends asked that he wants to do rooftop gardening and whether he can people who are interested in doing rooftop gardening, I will suggest that you first consult an engineer, because lots of weight will be put on the roof by our plants, whether it is balcony, grill, or rooftop. If you are serious about growing vegetables, because nowadays big drums are used to grow vegetables, so you should consult an engineer to know the load bearing capacity of your roof, and then only you should go ahead and do rooftop gardening, because it should not damage your roof. It should not cause any damage to the house then in which you are living. And I find people will keep big drums all over the roof. That is also not correct. There will be a beam. On that beam you have to place heavy drums, because this beam has the capacity, load bearing capacity. And before going ahead with this rooftop gardening, you better consult an engineer to check the load bearing capacity of the roof, so that if it is weak, then the whole thing may come crashing down. Over the period of time, it will damage the roof. And one more important thing is, you have to get waterproofing done of the roof. Waterproofing should be done. So here this is how I will wash the coco peat. So first water I will strain, and again in the second water I will wash, and again I will strain. So twice I will wash and strain the coco peat and remove all the glue and dirt from it, so that it can be used for my plants. So friends who have come first time to my channel, I request them to subscribe my channel and press the bell button, so that you will receive notifications whenever I upload videos. And friends, if you have liked the content of this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, Organic Gardening Mantra. Okay friends, thank you for watching my video. Bye bye for now.